Welcome to the English class, my dear friends. I am very happy that we are together today. I know you come from different countries, you have different language, you can't speak English very well. But don't worry, it is normal. English is your second language. This classroom is a place where we grow together. Today's lesson is about the present simple tense. Today, we make different sentences together. We practice and repeat them, so you can learn this tense very well. We go slowly, step by step, without stress. We start with short sentences. I wake up early. You go to school. He drinks coffee. She reads a book. It rains a lot. We study English. They play football. I eat breakfast. She works every day. We watch TV at night. Okay, friends. What is present simple? Present simple is used in a few different situations. Today, we are going to focus on 3 ways to use present simple correctly. 1. Regular actions and habits. For example, I have pancakes and coffee for breakfast every morning. 2. General facts. For example, reading before bedtime helps me sleep. 3. Stative verbs. For example, I love coming to the gym. The first way to use present simple is for regular actions or habits. This means things you do every day, every week, every month, or every year. It can also be for things you do twice a day, 3 times a week, 5 times per year. The important point is that it's regular. We go fishing every weekend in the summer. My cat wakes me up at 6 a.m. every morning. I visit my family 3 times a year. The second way we use present simple is for facts and things that are generally true. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Giraffes eat leaves. Computers need electricity. The last way to use the present simple is with verbs that have no action. These verbs do not show a physical action. They show a state. They tell us how someone feels, thinks, sees, or owns something. There are 4 common groups. 1. Thoughts and opinions. Do you remember where I put the keys? 2. Feelings and emotions. He wants dinner. 3. Senses. Seeing, hearing, etc. Did you see that? 4. Possession. Owning something. Do you have kids? So remember, we use the present simple for regular actions and habits, general facts, verbs with no action or stative verbs.
Good. Now it is time to practice and repeat. Please repeat each sentence after me. We listen, we repeat, we learn. Practice makes progress. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
She drinks tea every morning.
She drinks tea every morning.
morning. He goes to work by bus.
He goes to work by bus.
We study English at night.
We study English at night.
They play soccer on weekends.
They play soccer on weekends.
I check my email every day.
I check my email
every day. She walks to school.
She walks to school.
He watches TV after dinner.
He watches TV after dinner.
We clean the house on Sunday.
We clean the house on Sunday.
They visit their parents often. They visit their parents often. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Water boils at 100 degrees.
Water boils at 100 degrees.
Canada has cold winters.
Canada has cold winters.
Birds fly in the sky.
Birds fly in the sky.
Fish live in water.
Fish live in water.
The earth moves around the sun.
The earth moves around the sun.
Ice melts in heat.
Ice melts in heat.
Babies cry.
Babies cry.
Teachers teach students.
Teachers teach students.
Sugar tastes sweet.
Sugar tastes sweet.
I know the answer.
I know the answer.
She likes chocolate.
She likes chocolate.
He wants a new phone.
He wants a new phone.
We need help. We
need help.
They believe the story.
They believe the story.
I understand you.
I understand
you. She remembers his name.
She remembers his name.
He loves his family.
He loves his family.
We have 2 cars.
We have 2 cars.
They prefer coffee.
They prefer coffee.
Excellent work! Today we learned sentences in the present simple tense. In the next lesson, we will learn how to make questions in the present simple. We will also learn how to answer questions and learn new vocabulary. So please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our next videos. Please like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye!
Goodbye to all my friends. The time has come for me to say goodbye to all my friends who've sailed